Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Mind Online. Today we are going to talk about what is business transactions. Business transaction is an event which affects a business financially, that is, it causes a changes in its assets, liability or equity. Accounting is a concern with recording the financial transactions or business transactions of an entity, and any event which does not affect the business financially is not recorded in the accounting system. Business transaction can be obvious and simple. For example, a usual purchase or sale. On the other hand, some business transactions are vague or complex, making it difficult to ascertain their financial impact. For example, a transaction involving acquisition of a subsidiary. Also, some transactions are supported by source documents such as invoices, but there may be business transactions that are implied or may not be directly supported by source document. For example, impairment of an asset. To ensure consistent and predictability treatment of different business transactions, the accounting profession has created set of financial accounting standards, which are documents that contain details, rules, or a principle about how various types of business transactions should be accounted for. The business transactions are recorded in a special type of register, like that's called as journal. Each business transaction is recorded using a group of debit and credit in accounting journal, and such a record is called as journal entry. Journal entries are passed according to accounting equations, and they obey the debit credit rules. A typical journal entry has the following information: date of transactions, name of account involving transaction, debit and credit column of entering dollar amount, LKR amount as per the country value. So this is all about the business transactions. Please like and share my videos. Thank you for watching all.